Did you know that hot water can freeze faster than cold water? Stay tuned to uncover more mind-blowing facts that will leave you astonished. The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. But did you know they were actually painted by Da Vinci and eroded over time due to cleaning? The strongest muscle in the body is not the tongue, but the masseter, which helps you chew. Ants take rest for around 8 minutes in a 12-hour period. Surprising, right? I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language. Simple yet complete. Contrary to popular belief, Coca-Cola was never green. It has always been the same color since its invention in 1886. The most common name in the world is Muhammad, with over 150 million men and boys bearing the name. When the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less due to its gravitational pull. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect themselves from the blowing desert sand. There are 2 credit cards for every person in the United States. Imagine the potential for rewards and interest-free financing. Minus 40 degrees Celsius is exactly the same as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. A rare point of agreement between the 2 scales. Chocolate can kill dogs because it contains theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. Women do not blink nearly twice as much as men. Blink rates are pretty identical for both sexes. It is impossible to lick your elbow. Go ahead, try it. People say, "Bless you," when you sneeze because your heart may slow down or skip a beat. Pigs cannot look up into the sky due to the anatomy of their neck muscles and spine. The sixth sick shakes sixth sheep sick is the toughest tongue twister in the English language. Rhythm is the longest English word without a vowel. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. Suppressing a sneeze can be even more dangerous. Each king in a deck of playing cards represents a great king from history. Alexander the Great, King David, Julius Caesar, and Charlemagne. 111,111,111 times 111,111,111 equals 12,345,678,987,654,321. Mind-blowing, right? Bulletproof vests, fire escapes, windshield wipers, and laser printers were all invented by women. Honey is the only food that doesn't spoil. It can last forever. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out due to a membrane that holds it in place. A snail can sleep for 3 years to survive extreme weather conditions. Contrary to popular belief, polar bears are not left-handed. They use both paws equally. American Airlines saved $40,000 in 1987 by eliminating 1 olive from each salad served in first class. Butterflies taste with their feet, using sensors to locate food for their caterpillars. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump due to the structure of their leg bones. Stewardesses is the longest word typed with only the left hand. The electric chair was invented by a dentist named Southwick. Wearing headphones for just an hour can increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Be cautious. The cigarette lighter was invented before the match. Most lipstick contains fish scales, which give it a shiny appearance. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. The bumblebee bat is the world's tiniest mammal, with a wingspan of just over 5 inches. The length of the circulatory system in a child is almost 60,000 miles. Africa is present in sections in all 4 hemispheres. Argentina produced the first animated feature film ever, 20 years before Disney's Snow White. Earth contains enough gold to cover its entire surface in 1.5 feet of gold. The Philippines is made up of 7,641 islands. German chocolate cake originated in Texas, named after an American man, Sam German. A drop of water takes 90 days to travel the entire Mississippi River. Japan has 1 vending machine for every 40 people, selling everything from beverages to disposable cameras. Limes sink but lemons float due to their density differences. McDonald's once made bubblegum-flavored broccoli to encourage kids to eat healthier. Oranges weren't always orange, they were originally green in Southeast Asia. A tropical fungus can control an ant's mind, turning it into a zombie. The letter Q does not appear in any U.S. state name. A cow-bison hybrid is called a beefalo. Scotland has 421 words for snow, including skelf, sneasel, and feefle. 3/4 of SEO is off-page, with only 25% being on page. Stay curious and keep exploring.